Hey everyone, I hope you all are safe and doing good. So, we know it's a AI wave and artificial intelligence and machine learning. These are the trendiest and the hottest skills and demanded, but in this field also there are so many job roles. So, what kind of roles are basically driving this AI revolution? In this video, I am going to break down five of the most exciting and the high paying AI ML careers and the skills you need to succeed, and from where you can learn AI and ML and make a career in this field. So let's start. Do you know, according to the NASM report published last year by 2025, India needs over 1 million high-tech engineers or AI professionals. So the demand for AI ML expertise is very much, and the salaries are highly paid in India. In this field, entry level positions starting it in the range of 12 to 14 LPA and senior positions reaching to 50 LPA. And so, for the future is here. It is powered by artificial intelligence from those self driving cars to smart assistants. AI is reshaping industries and creating high demand and high paying careers. So, let me tell you first what are those five most exciting AIML careers. First is AIML engineer. These are basically backbone of AI driven automation. These AI engineers they design, build and deploy machine learning models that help the business to automate their task-made data-driven decisions and improve the efficiency. So these are basically the backbone of this AI-driven automation, and these skills required are some languages like Python or Java programming, machine learning algorithms and frameworks like TensorFlow and cloud computing. Also, like you have knowledge of AWS and Azure, these things. Next role is the deep learning specialist. So they basically what they do is deep learning specialists design and optimize neural networks for the tasks like image recognition and anonymous driving, natural language processing. The skills required for this is what you have a great knowledge of like neural network architectures, then frameworks like TensorFlow and GPU acceleration for AI model training, and obviously you have to be very good in math like linear algebra calculations and optimization. Next is so you must have charted before with virtual assistants all thanks to NLP engineer. These expect teach machines to understand human languages, and the skills required are you have experience or the knowledge of these NLP libraries and transformer models plus text experience with the text processing and the machine learning pipelines. LLM and generative AI like charity for, and the next one is the data scientist, and these are they are basically storyteller of the data they uncover trend. They build predictive models and they convert the raw data into actionable insight. Okay, the skills required are data analysis using Python statics, modeling, some like those libraries, machine learning, reactive modeling, predictive modeling, data visualization. These are some skills required for data scientists. Next is last but not the least, it is computer vision engineer. These are you can say these are eyes of they are enable machines to interpret the visual data. So, these engineer develops AI models and that allow machines to see and analyze images and videos. So skills are required for this. You have to knowledge of some framework like OpenCV and like CNN architectures and image processing. You have to be good in deep learning frameworks and 3D geometry, and you have the knowledge of like object detection models like YOLO and all. So these are not just job roles. They are opportunity to shape the future, and we know the future is AI. Do you know AI market is so powerful that the one AI tool wiped out $1 million from the market overnight? You must have heard about DC car one model which is a CHGPTPs, and alternatively okay, and it's shaking up the tech giants. So you can also be a part of this revolution, and with the right training and the guidance, you can also be at the forefront of AI innovation. So if you are interested to make your career in this field, then you have a golden chance to study, learn AI/ML from
any of the best Udemy courses or go through the internet. Thank you so much and stay tuned for next video.